How to fix Hiberfil.sys error 0xC0000719 in Windows 11. The Hiberfil.sys error 0xC0000719 can stop your Windows 11 PC from resuming hibernation or using fast startup. Let's walk through how to fix this issue step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why this error happens. This error appears when Windows encounters corruption, permission issues, or configuration problems with the Hiberfil.sys file, the file that stores your system state during hibernation. It can also be triggered by bad sectors, low disk space, or firmware and driver settings that disrupt how Windows resumes from hibernation. If left unresolved, this problem can cause boot loops or prevent fast startup from functioning, which affects startup speed and scheduled maintenance tasks. How to fix the Hiberfil.sys error. Start by disabling and re-enabling hibernation. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run powercfg/h off. Then enable it again with powercfg/h on. This removes the corrupted file and rebuilds it from scratch. Next, repair damaged system files by running sfc/scannow followed by dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Restart your system when both commands complete. If the problem persists, verify the hibernation type. Run powercfg/h/type full to enable full hibernation, or powercfg/h/type reduced to enable fast startup only. Finally, ensure your BIOS supports ACPI, BitLocker is suspended, and you have sufficient free disk space to store the hibernation file. How to confirm the fix worked. Test by running shutdown/h. If your PC hibernates and resumes normally without the 0xC0000719 stop code, you're good to go. You can also check Event Viewer to confirm there are no remaining kernel boot, power transition, or Hiberfil.sys related warnings. Resolving Hiberfil.sys error 0xC0000719 doesn't just fix hibernation, it restores system reliability, ensures smoother updates, and keeps your Windows environment running the way IT teams expect. For more information, check out our official blog post on fixing Hiberfil.sys error 0xC0000719 in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.